Hey Tammy, I thought I would just send you a quick video to kind of walk you through how to take care of that art. So let me open up the art piece first. I'm an illustrator. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and we'll do this as quickly as I can here. Where are we? Oh, here. And I think it's right there. Open it. And as you mentioned, if you were to select all, so I just hit, but you know what, let me do it through the menu here. Edit, select all right there. So I hit Control A. Then you can see there's the bounding box and everything around it because it's an entire PDF. You also notice up in the top left it says group. When I've got it all selected, it shows that it's a group. So the first thing I want to do, I can do it a couple of different ways, but maybe the easiest way would be to select all. So we'll say select all, which again is Control A on a Windows machine. And then we'll ungroup. So we'll go object, about the fifth selection down there, Shift Control G is ungroup. So now the individual items are selectable in there, as you can see. It still has that box around it. That's just a simple path around it. It's not an actual box. If you were to look at, if we go to View, Show Transparency Grid, you can see, oh, I lied, it does have an actual box. Okay, well, it's simple enough to get rid of that. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to use the magic wand tool, which is you can select by using the letter Y on your keyboard. So I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to touch the white area because we don't want any of the white remaining, I'm assuming. So we'll touch that, and then I'm just going to hit delete, and that's going to get rid of all the white stuff on there. And then couple of different ways of getting rid of the rest of the stuff, but the simplest way is just to turn on your select tool. Now that everything's ungrouped, you could use direct select if you wanted, or the select tool, but since everything's ungrouped, the select tool is fine to use. It'll only select what I made a box around the pretty boutique logo thing at the top, and I'm just going to hit delete, and then that thick line at the bottom, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just making a box around it with my select tool and hitting delete. And now I pretty much have everything I need. The only other thing I'm going to do right now is adjust the size of my artboard so that the only thing that's going to show in the artboard is the pretty boutique logo for now. So I'll go ahead and first of all go to View, and I'll hide the transparency grid so I don't have to worry about that in the background. Then I'll go to Object at the top, Artboards, and Fit to Artwork Bounds. That didn't work. There's something out here I'm not seeing because it should have shrunk the artboard. So what I'm going to do now is do View, and I want to show all in window, fit all in window, which is Alt Control 0. Interesting. So it's showing me that the only artwork that I have is right here. So now I'm going to back up a little bit. A handy thing to do that with if you have a mouse that has a rolling ball on it is if you hit Alt and using that rolling ball, you can go in or out. It's real fast to zoom in like that. Or you can use the little zoom tool, which is the the magnifying glass tool on your left. So meanwhile, I'm going to go over here to the left. I want to see what the artboard looks like, which is the artboard tool, which is Shift and then the letter 0. I'm going to do that. So it looks like it's already selected. It's already showing me the artboard on there. I don't know why. Normally the artboard has a boundary that I can see around it, but it's not for now. But in any case, that is how you do it. So I'm going to go ahead and send the file to you, and you're welcome, send this video to you plus the file, and you're welcome to go through the video on your own just to kind of practice a little bit with that. Okay? I will talk to you later. Take care.